Are you worried about developing breast cancer? Well, stay tuned because we're about to discuss how to self-exam your breast. And I'm here today with Dr. Krishnan. Hi, Dr. Krishnan, how are you?
Hi, Gia, I'm good, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming today. I think it's such an important topic. So how does someone examine themselves and be aware of this sort of stuff?
Well, I'm delighted to be here, Gia, because I believe a well-performed self-examination of the breast saves lives.
Wow, that's powerful.
Shall I show you how to do it?
Please, yes, I would love to know.
Okay, well, the first thing is you look at yourself in the mirror without any clothes on, and you start with your hands up in the air, on your hip, tensing your muscles, and on your side. And what you're looking for are changes to the shape, the symmetry of the breasts. You're looking for changes in the nipple, and you're looking for changes in the skin.
Okay.
Is there any dimpling of the skin, anything unusual? And that's the first step, looking for something. The second step is feeling, where we use 3 fingers of the opposite hand. So if I was examining my left breast,
You'll be using
I would use the pads of fat of the 3 fingers, and you do it in a systematic fashion,
Okay.
either up and down, or side to side, or you can do it circular, examining the whole breast.
Okay.
And don't forget, you got to go right up to the armpit there,
Yep.
and also check lymph glands in the armpit.
Okay, for any changes in the lymph glands.
Absolutely. And then you've done a complete breast self-exam.
Wow, that's great.
There is a little bit more to it, a little bit more about the extent of the breasts, and all this information is available.
Yes.
And there are apps nowadays
Okay.
that you can look at that remind you to do it.
Yes.
And they give you a little bit more information, and they give you a record of what you've done.
So how often should someone do a self-examination, and how old do you have to be to start?
Well, my daughter's 21, and I feel she's a year too late.
Okay, so 20 is the key.
20.
Yes.
At 20, every young girl should be able to perform her own breast self-exam
Yep.
once a month. And she can do it a week after her period so that the breasts are not lumpy or tender.
Yes, that's a good point.
And, you know, some studies have shown that it increases anxiety for women to check their own breasts.
Yes.
But I say we women can do it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And take control of whatever we can take control of.
That's right.
And the second part of your question, Gia, I did answer once a month. But for the postmenopausal woman,
Yes.
she can do it any date she likes,
Right.
the first of every month. And then she's free for the month.
Wow, thank you so much. That is such good information. Thank you, Dr. Krishnan, for coming today. And if you want some more health tips, if you want some more wellbeing tips, please go to mumsathetable.com. We've got plenty of tips there for you. We'll see you next time, and hopefully we'll see Dr. Krishnan next time too.
Thank you.
Thank you.